So if you've ever played that game Marco Polo before, you'll know if somebody says Marco, you'll say Polo, right? Marco, Marco Polo. Okay, so let me demonstrate what a Marco Polo is on the network. So essentially what the Marco Polo would be on the network, I'm actually going to go into CMD. I'm going to type in command prompt. Again, I like to run everything as an administrator because I like to have administrative rights. Now I'm going to send a Marco Polo to Google, okay? And the Marco Polo we're talking about here is the ping command, okay? The ping command. So I'm going to type in ping 8.8.8.8. I'm going to press enter, and there are my Marco Polos. So here is my uh, Marco Polos here. You see I'm getting replies from 8.8.8.8. I sent 4 Marcos and received 4 Polos. So this is an example how to use the ping command. Whenever you use a ping command, just think of the game Marco Polo. See you on the next video.